Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome officially to the 16th International Leadership Training Program conducted by DXN Middle East. Please put your hands together and welcome yourself. Makeover 2020. Making you over. A complete change. May not be from outside, but truly from inside. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Brothers and sisters, all our previous experiences says that by attending leadership training program, we have seen the transformation in people. We have seen very ordinary members attending leadership camp and they are transforming to true leaders. And this year, we are having the presence of wonderful leaders from different parts of the globe to attend this program. We have people from UAE, of course. We have people who came all the way from Saudi Arabia. Can we welcome them with a big round of applause? We have members all the way from Bahrain. We have members from Oman, members all the way from Pakistan, from Nigeria. We have leaders all the way from Mauritania. We have leaders all the way from Turkey. Wonderful set of leaders from Jordan. Fantastic set of leaders from Palestine. We have leaders from India. We have leaders from Kuwait. We have the presence of the country manager of Kuwait, Mr. Murali also. Please put your hands together. We have members from Nepal. We have members from Philippines. We have leaders and the stockist herself from Ethiopia is here. Who else is missing? Morocco. The Morocco leaders are here. Bangladesh. Who else? Sweden. MashaAllah. Sweden, welcome. Who else? Syria. Big round of applause for Syria. Country near Morocco. Mauritania, I already welcomed. Yemen, mashallah, beautiful country. Yemen, we have the presence of leaders from Yemen. Who else? Nepal, already welcomed. Ladies and gentlemen, Palestine already welcomed. Jordan, ladies and gentlemen, it is a huge list which will never end. Because DXN Middle East is having the presence of these great individuals from these many countries to make our 2020 the best one. Please put your hands together for this. Ladies and gentlemen, the speciality of Makeover 2020 is nothing but just the panel of the guests, the panel of speakers who are here. Undoubtedly, this is one of the best panel of speakers that we are having for Leadership Camp in Align. Brothers and sisters, are you ready to learn? Yes. That yes may not be enough. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to give you the best of speakers, and that speakers is going to change your perspective towards DXN business. To begin with, let me take the privilege to welcome the Marketing Director of DXN Middle East. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Salim Shaji. The International Marketing Director is here with us. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Gigi Tenke. Please come to stage, sir. put your hands together. The consultant of DXN Middle East, please put your hands together and welcome Dr. Hassan Saeed Al-Qateri. The first and foremost crown ambassador couple all the way from DXN India. Please put your hands together and welcome Professor Vasupalaya and Dr. Ratna Vasupalaya. The first and foremost crown ambassador of DXN Middle East. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Muhammad Fatemi Ghani. Arguably one of the best speakers of DXN Globe. Please put your hands together and welcome the person who traveled all the way from Philippines, Mr. Osler Standard Thomas. One of the most successful Bangladeshi leader across the globe, Haroon Rashid. One of the most successful lady leader all the way from Jordan, Miss Huda Thomas. We have the presence of a fantastic leader from UAE, Mr. Mansoor Ahmad Hashim. The miraculous lady who has shown everything is possible in DXN all the way from Saudi Arabia, Ms. Amira Aliyoubi. Is this panel a good one? Of course. Ladies and gentlemen, more speakers are going to join. They are going to join us tomorrow. We will be having the presence of the fastest crown ambassador in the history of DXN Globe, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. One of the most successful youngest leader from DXN Oman, Mr. Sultan Saeed Al-Alawi will be joining us. One of the best doctors in DXN UAE will be joining us, none other than Dr. Asma Munir. We will be having the presence of Dr. Shankar Budela tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, these speakers are going to train us, to motivate us, to get the best in us. Please put your hands together for this wonderful, wonderful panel of speakers. Thank you so much, the wonderful panel of speakers. Thanks a lot, and we hope to the best and best from you. Thank you so much. Please put your hands together. Brothers and sisters, make over 2020. Please don't forget the title. You are here to learn, to develop, to become better. You are already better, but be the best. But with this program, we are focusing on your personal growth. Till yesterday, you were a completely different human, but from today onwards, your DXN career is going to get changed with the presence of these wonderful speakers. Are you ready for it? That is not enough. Are you ready for it? Ladies and gentlemen, to do the official welcome, let me take the privilege to welcome the Marketing Director of DXN Middle East, Mr. Salim Shaji.
Good morning. Good morning. 15 years back, I was standing on the same stage as my first DXN program in my life. 15 years in the same venue. 15 years before. So it's a really nostalgic venue for many of us, including the speakers. Because the growth of DXN Middle East had really started from this hall, between these four walls. It's not a normal hotel. You need to really understand that. It's not a normal hall in which you are sitting. Many people, many of our successful leaders had made a decision in their mind sitting between the same four walls. Many people have asked us why you haven't changed the hotel until now. Even just outside, one of my brothers who is sitting here, he was asking me, why always this hotel? You know, there is a saying, you're not supposed to change the success combination. You know, right from the beginning, DXN Middle East is witnessing astonishing growth, alhamdulillah. Even now, every month, every year, we are crossing our own records and alhamdulillah moving forward. So this Mercure Hotel and these four walls is a part of this. You know, we are keeping aside all our worries, all our problems, all our tensions, everything outside. And the next 2 days, we gonna get immersed here with one attitude: to change. Ladies and gentlemen, in life and even in DXN, the system is same, life is same, but many people become successful, many people, they don't become successful. What is the difference between people who are becoming successful in DXN and who are not becoming successful in DXN? Because the system is same, marketing plan is same, products are same, everything is same. But some people become successful, some people does not become successful. The basic difference which we have between successful people and unsuccessful people, that is what we're gonna make over here between these four walls. Are you ready for doing that? Ladies and gentlemen, system, if you work properly, the system will give you everything. This is a problem-solving company. This is a solution-providing company. In order to make that change in your mind, first and foremost, you need to make up your mind. You need to decide, not tomorrow, now, that next 2 days, I'm gonna change myself. Are you ready to do that? Yes. So here, we have a fantastic panel of speakers, as Mr. Shabir told, and I'm really proud to welcome all of them here. First and foremost, we have the International Marketing Director of DXN, who has been instrumental for the establishment and growth of different countries and different regions of DXN in the world, who is none other than a very familiar name for most of you who are coming from different countries, Mr. Jijit NK. Please put your hands together to welcome him. And we have the sheet anchor person of DXN Middle East, who are there to solve all our challenges, all our problems, who are giving timely advices for the growth of this community, who is none other than the former chairman of Consumer Protection Society in UAE, Dr. Hassan Al-Khateeri. Please put your hands together to welcome him. And the next couple whom I'm going to introduce, a combination of university professor and a medical doctor. And I'll tell you about DXN. How many members are there in DXN all over the world? 9? 9.5 million members. Hold your applause. And I'm talking about this couple. Out of these 9.5 million members, 4.5 million members are under them. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Professor Vatsupal and Dr. Ratna Vatsupal. Now that goes for a discussion, right? And we have the pride of DXN Middle East. We always have pride and privilege in our mind when we introduce our Crown Ambassador, who is none other than Mr. Mohammad Fatemi Ghani. Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Mohammad Fatemi Ghani. Whenever there are camps in Middle East, we always call one person who is living in Philippines. Why? Because he always brings fire from Philippines. He comes here, he put the fire here and he goes back. Who is none other than Ms. Rosler Santo Thomas. Please put your hands together to welcome Ms. Rosler Santo Thomas. We have a very powerful and not one of the most successful Bangladeshi leader who had recently taken the residency in Malaysia and who is an example of freedom from DXN, who is none other than Mr. Harun al-Rashid. Please put your hands together to welcome. We have a very powerful leader, a very powerful speaker, one of the most intelligent leaders we have in this region, and who is one of the most blessed speakers of this region, who is none other than Mr. Mansoor. Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Mansoor. People say direct selling business is ladies' business. Out of the total data all over the world, direct sellers, 77% are ladies, right, Mr. Ghani? 77% are ladies. And we have one lady here who is carrying one entire country on her shoulders, who has become the reason for the country's growth, who has become an inspiration for many ladies in this region, who is none other than Madam Huda Tahmas. Please put your hands together to welcome Madam Huda Tahmas. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us four more speakers, but they are not present right now. And one is the fastest Crown Ambassador in the world, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. He will join us tomorrow. And we have two very great doctor speakers who are none other than Dr. Asma Munir and Dr. Shankar Wadela. And we have one of the most successful leaders from Oman, Mr. Sultan Saeed Al-Alawi. He also will join with us very soon. Let's welcome them with a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I have told about the fastest Crown Ambassador in the world, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. And he had become the fastest Crown Ambassador in 5 years. And here we have another lady who's gonna break that record, inshallah, within 3 years. She has displayed one of the most fastest growth rate that any leader had achieved all around the world. And she is with us here to teach you as what is her secrets, who is none other than Madam Amira Al-Yubi. Please put your hands together to welcome her. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how to welcome you all for making this makeover very, very successful. And I have seen one lady who had come all the way down from Sweden today. Where is she? Yeah. She is one of the examples. I know that many of you had taken pain to come, to fly from different parts of the world to become a part of this camp. And because of you, this camp always becomes successful. We don't know how to express our gratitude on behalf of DXN Middle East management for attending this camp, and we will keep our promise, inshallah. When we say makeover, we really mean that. When we say makeover, we really mean transformation of your business, of your character, of your attitude, and of your life. Thank you so much, and welcome once again to Makeover 2020.